there, Denise and Vinnie here from Project Frugal. We're just going on a little bit of a road trip this afternoon out to Upper Hutt, which is about a half an hour drive from where we live, to buy
an electric chainsaw.
So we've got a lot of branches and things that need tidying up on our trees. So we thought the best way to attack this and sort it out is to actually get our own equipment to do it, which will come in handy for other projects down the track. So yeah, come along for a ride.
We ended up getting this electric chainsaw from Trade Me. Originally it was on the market for $50 with a buy now of $75. No one bid on this auction, so the seller offered it for $60. I looked at it, yep, that'll do, and purchased it. Now before I did purchase it, I also looked at some other options that were available on the market. We looked at this one from Bunnings. Basically it's the same electric chainsaw, 1800 watts, similar model, not quite the same, $105. That's pretty cheap for a brand new chainsaw, I've got to say. And the other main sort of hardware store in our area is Mitre 10, and their cheapest electric chainsaw is $141. So getting a second-hand, used a few times, chainsaw for $60 versus paying $105, in my book, they're all going to be used as soon as you turn it on and use it, so a good deal. I don't know anything about them.
Yeah, me either. I mean, I just use it for, making a few bits and pieces. But yeah, you've got to lubricate the blade,
Is that in here, is it?
Yeah, I think that's where it goes in. I just used any old extension cord. Yeah, that's what it comes with. So
obviously you can't do it when it's raining, sort of thing.
Yeah.
Right, we're ready to go. Let's give it a crack. Got all my Lumberjack gear on, so got to look the part. Let's go.
It's actually quite a cool extension cord, Vinnie. Did you just buy that?
I bought that recently, and that was so we could get up on the roof, water blast the roof eventually, which will be coming up this summer.
Whoa.
But we'll get round to that.
So you have to plug it in. You have to watch it that you don't cut the cord.
I'm not going to cut the cord. Alright, so be careful doing this.
Have you ever used a chainsaw before?
Nope, never used one.
Well,
Take this off, the chain guard.
Oh, don't you have to prime it?
I'll put oil on it.
Oh yeah, so
And no idea what happens next, so let's pull the button and see what happens. Nothing. Nice. Hang on.
What's that orange thing?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, just start with a little branch. That little one that's poking up, that's kind of...
This one?
Yeah, but be careful it doesn't ping. No, go closer than that. You have to go close to the knot. You have to go closer to the tree. That is Vinnie's first ever branch that he is with a chainsaw.
Yeah, that's going to be plenty powerful enough.
Get rid of all those spiky ones. So what you want to do is kind of cut across as like that as much as you can, so it's as close to the tree as possible. Yeah, get rid of that first. Probably go in on the inside of that branch. That looks tidier already. Right, let's have a look around here. What about this one here? That one. Yeah, I've got to get into the side of you.
What, here?
Yeah, just gotta watch. Can you just help me get rid of this one? So, our little garden is flourishing at the moment, and there's our little clucky in the background. Little. So we've got potatoes over there, we've got corn growing, broccoli and lots of lettuce and summer plants and peas, lettuce, some picking broccoli. I think, what's it called? Vinnie, what's this broccoli called? Oh, I'm not sure what it is, but anyway, it's starting to go to seed. But I think if I just cut these flowers off like this, it should be all right for a few more meals. Just throw those in there. Got tomatoes growing over here in the corner. Some pumpkins are starting to come away here, and so I'll train those along there a bit. And we've got some passion fruit. So flower, and I think I saw a little baby one here somewhere. There we are. So I'm going to train this along here. And we've also got zucchini that are starting to do reasonably well. In here. Lots of them actually. There's another one there. Got some more tomatoes in here. Some peppers. Lots of cabbages. And these are little snow peas. Need to come out and harvest these and quickly plant some more in here. Starting to die back a bit. So it's doing incredibly well this year. So it is only a little garden, but it grows a lot of food. Got some more zucchini, some cucumber, some thyme. This one needs pulling out. This onion has actually gone to seed, so we need to pick that off and take the seeds off. Some spearmint. And so this little piece of the pathway is the only little bit that we've got to go. So I'm going to work to get this done this week. Get it all tidied away. Zip. puppy. Hi, puss. There you go. You're having a nice sleep, puss. Oh, look at that. Hey, puss.
That about wraps this video up. If you're ever in the need of a lumberjack, well, you've come to the right place. Vastly experienced, 3 or 4 branches down and many more to come, I'm sure. So I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification for more, and we'll see you in the next video. See you later. Bye-bye.